going to make a Lego pen and Lego erasers. First we are going to take a refill and then we are going to cover it with one white piece. Then we are going to take a black piece and then a small black dot. I'm going to put it on top of the black piece. Then we are taking a small dot and put it on top of the other dot. And then we are going to cover the refill by taking this peach piece and poking it behind the white piece. Then we are going to take this peach piece and connect it to the other peach piece. Next we are going to take this yellow piece and put it on top of the gray piece. Next we are going to take another yellow piece and stack it on top of the yellow piece. And another. And then last, you put this red piece on top. And there, you got your real Lego pencil. Now we are going to make the Lego erasers. First, we're going to take this gray piece. And then, put this green piece on top of this gray piece. There you got one eraser. Then you need the other erasers. So you take these two black pieces and on one of the black pieces you put a pink piece like this. Then you take a red piece and put it like this. Then you take this gray piece and put this yellow eraser on like this. And then the last eraser, you take this gray piece and put this purple piece on. There, you got your erasers and pencil. Bye. Thanks for watching.